Coming down with your hand first, then you start turning yourself, supporting yourself well, squeezing the buttocks. Here you do your roll, and then come down, and then bring the back leg, which is back here, forward into a barrel turn and finish. So for this turn, for the slow, it's just a step, turn, 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 and then for the fast one is around, turn, finish. That's for the lower back, for the lower body. And for the upper body, just from here, bring it down, roll it a little bit, down, around, and hands down. So there is one exercise we do that helps a lot to develop flexibility in the lower back and really prepares the body and warms up the spine to do these quebrada turns. And that is that you go to any wall in your house, and then you place your hands there, and then you start rolling yourself around. And you just counterpointing your upper body with your lower body, and then go in the other direction. The farther down you put your hands, the more your turn is going to be lowered in the space. I would say start high, and then as you feel more and more comfortable, come a little lower. But you know, even if you do this turn like just here at the level of your forehead, like I'm going at the level of almost my knees, right? But you can start here at the level of your forehead, still looks beautiful. And then you don't have to come so low. And same thing here, you can turn at the level of your forehead and finish.
Y a la puerta de un rico avariento